It's 6:31 here in Japan. It's December 26 today. Yan ang aking breakfast. I have suman, ethnic delicacy ng Philippines. Yan. Suman, kasaba. Masarap yan. Ito ang menudo na niluto ko, leftover yan. Pero tumatagal naman basta nasa ref. Yan. Ang aking fruits for today. And of course, the green tea. Don't skip your breakfast. Enjoy. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay Wife Life in Japan. See you there.